Hello and welcome to Vacations by Tiffany. I'm your go-to travel agent for all things cruises, Disney, and much more. In this episode, I'm giving you a tour of Virgin Voyages' first ship, the Scarlet Lady. Let's start on Deck 5. Here you'll find Sailor Services, which is their front desk area, where you can ask any and all of your questions. You'll also find the Redemption Spa. On this deck are 2 of the 6 main restaurants included in your cruise fare. You can pick and choose whichever of these restaurants to eat at each night and not pay extra for any of them. Pink Agave is the Mexican eatery, and the other one, Razzle Dazzle, where you'll find a vegetarian forward menu with a virgin twist. Now for Deck 6. This super fun spiral staircase is called the Roundabout, where you can find some events like trivia or naming ice cream flavor of the day. The Red Room is one of the entertainment areas that takes on different shapes and forms throughout your voyage, depending on the type of show. On Deck 6, you'll also find the casino with lots of slot machines, roulette table, blackjack, poker, and all of the fun Vegas-style games you could want. They also host different events that you can sign up for too. And just off the casino is the smoking lounge with a few slot machines and some great views. Also off the casino, you'll find another entertainment space called the Manor. This is home to that fun hallway that's become quite famous on social media. You'll also find a majority of the shopping on Deck 6. Dry Dock, the blow-dry bar, Stubble and Groom, the barbershop, Booty-free liquor shop, and best of all, Squid Ink, the tattoo parlor. That's right, tattoo parlor, one of the first at sea. So if you're interested in taking home a permanent souvenir of your vacation, you can totally do that. Two of the other restaurants are on this deck. My personal favorite, the Test Kitchen, which is a laboratory type eatery. Super cool. And the other restaurant is called Extra Virgin. It's the elevated Italian restaurant with some of the best fresh pasta I've ever had on a cruise ship. Now moving up to Deck 7. This is the red carpet where you first come on board. This is known as the Promenade Deck, and here you'll find one of my personal favorite spots called the Dock. It's an outdoor lounge space with a bar and great views whether you're in port or out at sea. Here you'll also find the arcade, which is totally free, by the way. There's foosball tables and lots of other games. The social club is where you'll find snacks, both sweet and salty, like candy, popcorn, hot dogs, marshmallows, and more, all for free. The Loose Cannon is a fun nautical theme bar where you can find more group events happening. Check the app every day and you can sign up for what you want to do. Most of them are free, but some things like the bartending classes cost a little extra. Also, just a reminder that every bar has lots of options for booze-free beverages, as well as complimentary tea and soda at all of the bars, something that makes Virgin really stand out from the other competition. This here is the coffee shop featuring Intelligentsia coffee. And here's some more shopping areas you'll find around the ship. And passing through, that brings us to the Doghouse, where I happened to catch some great live music by the band on board. You'll find this and all sorts of entertainment on the large screens throughout the ship, as well as on your phone through the Virgin Voyages app. And now we're back to the roundabout, where a resident DJ sometimes pops up and plays music that you can hear from all around the lobby area. Oh, by the way, before you sail, you better make some room on your phone because there are a lot of fun photo opportunities just like this all over the ship. Here's the pizza place, an entire dedicated pizzeria that opens out to the promenade where you can dine al fresco. This is Sip, the champagne bar. You can also find more details about the bars and lounges in another episode right here on my channel. Now we're in the groupie, where you'll find a couple of Japanese-style karaoke rooms where you can belt out your favorite songs. There's more to go. We're still on Deck 7. You'll find the record shop where you can buy some new albums, the desk where you can book your next cruise, that's my personal favorite spot on any cruise ship, and lots of places to lounge and use that ship Wi-Fi that came included with your cruise fare. That's right, you heard me, free Wi-Fi. It's just one of the many awesome things that's all included on Virgin Voyages. No cruise is complete without a couple of ice cream cones on vacation. Here you'll find the complimentary ice cream shop with the cheeky name and very delicious homemade ice cream. One of the fun events around the ship that you can participate in is naming the flavor of the day. The Wake is the steak and seafood restaurant that's open for dinner and brunch. Be sure to check out my other episodes all about the dining options on Scarlet Lady. Decks 8 through 14 are all cabins and suites. You can find a full cabin tour right here on my channel. I highly recommend getting yourself the Sea Terrace cabin with these awesome hammocks that you can hang out in. And that brings us up to deck 15. Here you'll find the Tune-Up Nail Salon, you'll find the gym, which is actually split across the hallway with bikes and cardio on one side and weight training on the other side. In between the gym, you'll find some outdoor workout equipment, one of the 2 pools, a couple of hot tubs, and the Gym and Tonic Bar, another clever name. On this deck, you'll also find the Galley. This is a food hall style open concept restaurant serving breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snacks. It is all you care to eat, but you do not serve yourself. You sit down, you get a menu, and you order from a server. Everything is fresh and made to order. And just a reminder that coffee, tea, and soda are complimentary and open all day here at the Galley. They also have all-day breakfast, which is great if you like to sleep in or maybe you want breakfast for dinner. You'll also find the Korean barbecue restaurant, Gun Bay, on this deck. It's just one of the many restaurants included in your cruise fare. Now out to the other pool. With tons of space for lounging and great music playing in the background, this was one of my favorite places to relax and enjoy the views out to sea. At night, it's a great place to do some stargazing or participate in one of the fun nighttime parties they have on board. I have an entire episode just about parties and entertainment that you'll find on the Scarlet Lady. Now let's head up the red staircase to deck 16, the Sun and Sports Deck. Here you'll find some private cabanas that you can rent, or just pull up a chair and soak in the sunshine. Don't forget to download the Virgin Voyages app before you leave. And when you're on board, you can activate that super fun feature called Shake for Champagne. One thing I love about cruising is that you can make it what you want. Maybe you're a solo traveler who just wants some me time, or you came with a significant other and you both want to relax and have some quiet time. You can get up early, or you can stay up late. Maybe you want to get involved with all the events and make some new friends, you can do that too. Virgin Voyages, and honestly cruising in general, makes it easy to do as much or as little as you want. Boxing ring, anyone? With smaller exercise areas, you could easily end up with the whole place to yourself. Or you can sign up for any of the group workout classes and exercise classes that are all included in your cruise fare. Like the 80s VHS workout class, which is a total blast, or there's some group yoga and group stretches that you can sign up for too. We're not done yet. Deck 16 is where you'll find this super awesome catamaran net. There's lots of sun loungers and places to hang out and relax. And now this brings us to the very tippy top of the ship. It's the runway jogging track on Deck 17. This ship tour is just the beginning of all the wonderful things you'll find on Virgin Voyages. Be sure to check out my channel for more episodes, like this beautiful place called the Beach Club. It's their private resort in Bimini, and it's a destination in all Caribbean sailings out of Miami. Thank you very much for watching. I post new videos all of the time, so please subscribe to my channel and you'll be the first to know about new episodes. Please visit vacationsbytiffany.com to contact me and we can start planning your Virgin Voyage today. Thanks for watching. See you next time.